My journey started in 2006. One of my friend, my brother, he told me that let us go to Puttaparthi because every year I used to go and do seva there. And I made it a point that definitely this year I will spend my holidays going to Puttaparthi. It was a very nice journey from Allahabad to Dharmavaram and from there by bus to Puttaparthi. And I still remember the bhajan of Bhagawan, which I heard, who my brother was singing in that bus in which we were sitting, coming from Dharmavaram to Puttaparthi. Nilayam, 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 आओ चले प्रशांति निलयम, निलयम 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 निलयम, आओ चले प्रशांति निलयम, तुमको वहाँ पर राम मिलेंगे, भक्तों को साईं राम मिलेंगे, निलयम 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 निलयम, आओ चले प्रशांति निलयम. This was the bhajan which I heard. And that touched me like anything. From 6 to 2023, regularly, at least for once in a year, I get the opportunity by Baba to visit his abode. So that way I feel very fortunate, and the feelings of 2006 were so deep in my heart. It gave me that tremendous kind of thing that I started living in this world, that I have seen God. I have felt God. Before 2006, I used to study a lot of literature of many big thinkers, spiritual leaders and all. But after 2006, I thought that I have got God. So what's the purpose of doing all the rituals? Once you have got God, so what philosophy you want to read? What else do you want to know about the universe? Because in totality you have got universe in a single face. So that thing happened with me. But all the time I live in that divinity given to me by Bhagawan Baba. Not a single second. I am so conscious about the presence of Bhagawan Baba. And one thing very interesting I want to tell you, that in 2006 when I came here for the first time in Puttaparthi, that I should give this experience to my parents also. When I was here at Puttaparthi for 15 days, in between I got reservations for my parents from Allahabad to Puttaparthi and back. I had this thought that what I have got, what I have enjoyed, my parents should also get. So that way they were also very fortunate that they got the glimpse of Swami, because Swami was present in physical form at that time. And 2006 was really a marvelous year for my life, because it changed the course of my journey towards life. In 2006, when I came here, it was 30th of May or 31st of May 2006. From 1st to 7th, we were here in Sevadal duty. On 8th, if I'm not mistaken, Swami came from Kodaikanal. When I first saw Swami, because I was on the duty of frisking the metal detector. Mm-hmm. I was there on the last gate of the Kulwant Hall, backside. From there, I can see Swami. And when I saw Swami, I started crying. It was very instant. I don't know how it happened, but it happened. That made the connectivity from Baba. My tears made that connectivity with Baba. That was the time when I felt that I have seen God. Now I can feel that all the stress, the strains I was having, I am relieved of that. In some way or the other, it was a reunion of souls. One soul met the other soul. It was a reunion of souls. This is what I felt. And from there, the journey with Puttaparthi started. Once I went to Delhi, and when I was returning back from Delhi, it was sometime in winters of 2007. That train in which I had my reservation, that got cancelled because of fog. I was just wondering what to do in the railway station, whether to go back to my hotel or take a chance for any other train. I heard in the speakers that one train which is going to Puri via Kanpur, Allahabad. And without having any valid ticket for that train, I went to that platform. I was a lawyer of Indian Railways that time at Allahabad High Court. So I had that thing that being a counsel for railways, I will get the ticket and the berth from the travelling ticket examiner. I went to that platform. I asked the TT that can you provide me a berth in this train for Allahabad. He said, no. I told him that I am your counsel representing your cases at Allahabad High Court. So have some mercy and manage my travel. He said, it's not possible because already many trains of that side they are cancelled today because of the weather. Still, I was adamant that I have to go because there were many important cases which were coming next day. I was just wondering that I was, a jigjaw was there that whether to go or not to go. But still, with that profound belief that I will get berth, I boarded the train without any valid ticket, no reservation, not even a platform ticket. I went inside the one compartment of AC3, if I'm not mistaken. It was AC3 compartment. Just near the washroom, I was standing with my bag. I thought that once the tickets are checked, TT will come and he will, if there is any berth, he will accommodate me, or otherwise I will lie down in between some berth and manage this journey. So I was just standing there for at least 45 minutes, for 1 hour, waiting for the TT to come. It was past 10:30, 11. It was very foggy. The train moved at the very right time. And after 1 hour, when I was feeling very sleepy, I was just standing, not sitting, waiting for the TT. One person in white pant shirt asked me that, please come. I just followed him. 3-4 coaches we crossed. When I went in that 4th coach, when he pushed that first door of AC2 compartment, I saw a sticker of Swami in that glass, in between, in the middle of that glass. I felt very good from inside. That man said to me that you just sit here. I thought that he's a passenger. Maybe he has cancelled his ticket and he has given his berth to me. He went. I waited for him for half an hour, but he didn't turn up. And when in the morning I awoke, the train touched the Allahabad Junction station at the very right time in which it was supposed to enter. In spite of being a foggy weather, when all the trains were cancelled, this train started on time from Delhi and its arrival at Allahabad was on time. I got the berth. Nobody came to ask me for tickets. Nobody turned up again saying for how you are here. And I got down. And this was the thing which made me feel that now I am in safe hands. I have been taken over by Bhagawan Baba. He has taken me in his fold as his child. So that feeling came in my mind in that very journey. And when my name for judgeship was cleared by the Collegium of Allahabad High Court in the year 2016, April, there was a sort of tug of war between the judiciary and the government, as the government had passed that bill of constitution of this National Judicial Appointment Commission. It took a lot of time to get those names which were cleared by the Collegium of 2016, April. I took oath as judge of Allahabad High Court on 22nd September 2017. Normally, the process of this meeting of Collegium and the process of clearance and the process of taking oaths, all is completed within a span of maximum 8-9 months. But it took almost 1.5 years. When my name was cleared by the Collegium of Supreme Court, I got some phone call from somebody that your name has been cleared. I was watching a movie at Civil Lines Allahabad that day. I didn't attend at that time when I was viewing the movie. But after I came from the cinema hall, I just called back that person and asked him, "Who are you?" So he told me that, "I know you, sir, and your name has been cleared by the Supreme Court Collegium." I just went home, big photo of Bhagawan Shri Satsang Baba in my chamber. And I started crying before Baba. In my mobile, without being sent by anybody through WhatsApp or any other mode of communication, in the front screen, Bhajan of Bhagawan Shri Satsang Baba started. Again, I got that Baba has put his stamp on my future course of life. When I sit as a judge in my court, I feel that I'm sitting in Prashant Nilayam Kulwant Hall. Whatever I ask to my lawyers who are representing their cases, whatever the query is made from my side, I feel that Swami is making that query. And I get the answer, what to do or what not to do. It takes hardly 2-3 minutes for me to see a case, and that too a very sensitive case like bail matters. I was a lawyer on the civil side. But when I got elevated as judge in 2017, I was asked to sit on the criminal side. I was not much aware of the criminal law. So I had this thing in my mind that it is Swami who wants that. Because on the criminal side, I should tell you that instant justice is required. So I thought that Swami wants me to sit on the criminal side because of this reason, that there are many people who are having no fault of theirs and are languishing in jail. So I'm there, sent by Swami as judge, to make them feel that they are in safe hands. As a judge, when some file is put before me with regard to any case, hardly within 10-20 seconds, I get a picture that what is right and what is wrong. It is not me who is there as a judge. I feel that it is the presence of Bhagawan Baba within me which makes me understand this thing, that what is right and what is wrong. There should be no miscarriage of justice. No injustice should be done. All these inklings I get when I sit in my chair as judge in my court. I directly feel all the communication is from Bhagawan Shri Satsang Baba. And because of this reason, I get the things done quickly. As on date, I can say that there was no miscarriage of any justice, and I feel that I am doing good. But whenever I used to feel that I have not seen you, Swami, since last few days, and I am just missing you, Baba, within minutes, or you can say within hours or whatever, 2-3 hours, I get darshan in one form or the other. Maybe Baba's name I get in some shop, Shri Satya Sai General Store, Shri Satya Sai Hardware Store, or I see SS written somewhere, maybe triple S or sometimes SS. I get things that way. I get that. I've got darshan. Last year when I went to see my daughter, who is presently at Toronto, so I was just roaming here and there. I just asked one question to my daughter. I am just searching Swami. So she said, Papa, mil jayenge. Don't worry. So we were just walking on the side of the road. There was a shop of some different type of articles, shoe pieces. I went inside the shop and said ki, ab to Bhagawan ko milna hi padega. And when I just turned my head towards right side, a big photograph of Swami was there in Toronto.
Wow.
I thought that I am so blessed that when I've got God, what else remains? It gives me enhanced happiness. My prayers to Baba is that, Baba, you have blessed me like that. Whether I deserved that or not, I don't know. It is you who know that. And you gave me that courage, that confidence, and that knowledge also at the same time, that intellect to do things in the manner which you want. I tried to do things in the manner Baba wants. Swami was very kind that he gave that umbrella to me to stand. And today I am standing because of the blessings of Bhagawan Baba.